Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Lightning Autofill Chrome extension to automatically fill in forms and save yourself tons of time. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a side menu with more choices related to managing your Chrome extensions. Now, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you directly to the official Chrome Web Store where you can browse and install various extensions to enhance your browsing experience. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Lightning Autofill. This extension is specifically designed to automate form filling, making it incredibly useful for repetitive tasks like logging into websites or filling out registration forms. After typing the name, press Enter or click the search icon. You'll see the Lightning Autofill extension appear in the search results. Click on it to open the extensions page where you can learn more about its features and user reviews. On the extension page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin the installation process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will download and install the extension automatically, which usually takes just a few seconds. Once installed, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the extension has been added successfully. Next, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser where you'll see a puzzle piece icon representing your extensions. Click on this icon to view all your installed extensions. Find Lightning Autofill in the list and click the pin icon next to it. This ensures the extension icon stays visible in your toolbar for easy access whenever you need it. Now it's time to set up the autofill feature. Navigate to any website that has input fields or forms. For example, let's go to facebook.com. Once the page loads, click on the Lightning Autofill icon at the top of your browser. A menu will appear with various options. Click on the drop-down menu and input a name for this autofill profile, such as Facebook. This helps you organize different autofill rules for different websites. After naming it, click Generate Rules. This tells the extension to start learning which fields need to be filled. Now, go ahead and input your email address or account details directly into the Facebook login fields as you normally would. The extension is watching and learning which fields you're filling out. Once you've entered your information, click on the Lightning Autofill icon again at the top of your browser. This time, click Generate Autofill Rules. This command saves all the information you just entered and associates it with the Facebook profile you created earlier. And here's where the magic happens. If you refresh the Facebook page, the Lightning Autofill extension will automatically fill in your login details for you. You no longer have to manually type your information every time you visit the site. This same process works for any website with forms, saving you valuable time and reducing repetitive typing. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used the Lightning Autofill Chrome extension to automate form filling. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.